Activate trampoline socks must be worn at all times in the trampoline park. Never run across the free jump area. It can result in uncontrolled landings, causing serious injury to yourself and others. Jumping off the walls is allowed, but always plan your landings before jumping. Walk the wall is to practice your wall walking skills. The performance trampolines have a greater rebound effect, so jumpers need to be aware more skill is needed. Please jump within your ability. Children 4 years and under need to be accompanied at all times on the trampolines by a full paying adult. Never attempt flips or other extreme moves unless you've had training in such manoeuvres. Please do not double flip on the trampolines. Always jump in the centre of the trampoline. 2 people jumping on the same trampoline can cause serious injury. Only 1 person per trampoline at all times. If you're a larger person, do not jump near or around smaller people. This can potentially cause injury to the smaller person. Never jump or dive headfirst into the airbag. This can cause broken bones or serious injury. Always plan your landings into the airbag, going flat on your stomach, on your side, bottom or laying on your back. If you feel tired, please leave the court. Tiredness can cause all sorts of issues, especially causing you to lose control of where you land, which can result in injury to yourself or others. Be aware of how to bend your knees to stop your bounce. Always remain in control. Be aware of the people around you. It is your responsibility to ensure you avoid others. Please follow the instructions given by Activate team members and report anyone breaking the rules immediately. Clean trainers and Activate Ninja gloves must be worn while using the assault course. Please wear clothing that is suitable for exercise. Make sure you complete the course at your own pace. 1 ninja per piece of equipment at all times. Follow safety guidance given to you whilst on the course by Activate team members. If you fall off the equipment onto the crash mats below, please prepare your landing as best as possible, landing on your bottom or on your feet by bending your knees to brace the impact. Thanks for watching, stay safe, please follow the rules and most of all, have fun at Activate Trampoline Park.